Assalamualaikum students, I'm recording this lesson for AL mathematics students who are taking pure mathematics in AL in A level, and this is one of the important topics: numerical solutions of equations. Okay, so this question I have taken from which paper this is? This is paper May-June 2004, and question number 7. Let's start this question. First part here given to us is the equation x cubed plus x plus 1 equal to 0 has one real root. Okay, and show by calculation that this root lies between -1 and 0. Okay, fine. This has 2 marks. Let's do it. It's very easy part. So I'm starting this part I. They say show by calculation that this root lies between -1 and 0. So to show that the root lies between any two given numbers, we will input those values, those given numbers in the equation. The equation with us is x cubed plus x and plus 1. Now let's input the value of x here. X is -1. So I will input here -1 power 3 and -1 and plus 1. So it's -1 and plus 1. Now they're canceling. So the result is -1. Now input x is equal to 0 in the same equation. So 0 cube plus 0 and plus 1. So this is giving us positive. See, the result is 1, which is positive value. The result is -1, which is negative value. So when the this is one of the method that if both the values of x gives, and when we input them in the equation and they give two different results, different signs. One is plus value, one is minus value. Then this shows that the root lies between these two values. So it shows that the root lies between 1 and 0. That's part 1 done. Now let's do part 2. So for part 2, they say show that if a sequence of values given by the iterative formula this converges, then it converges to the root of the equation given in part 1. Okay, fine. They say that if this iterative formula is giving you different results, okay, different values. See, and if a sequence of values, see, they say if a sequence of values given by the iterative formula this converges. When the values are converging, it means that is solution. Okay, we are getting solutions. We are near to solutions. So, but if the values diverges, the value is diverging, then it means we're not getting solution. There's some problem in the formula or some problem there. So it's not converging. So that's not giving us result. So then we say we leave that iterative formula, or we leave that method because it's not giving correct answer. So when the values are converging, it means it's giving us result. So if they say if the values are converging, then it converges to the root of the equation in part. Look, in part 1, the part 1 is this equation. Now, what is it? What's the meaning of this thing? It means that we will have to do some working with this particular formula, and we will have to get that thing, because see, the statement is very clearly telling us this thing, that the root given by this is the same as given by the first equation. It means both are same equations. So let's do some working here, and let's start this part 2. Part 2 is here. Xn plus 1 is equal to 2 xn cube minus 1 divided by 3xn square plus 1. Okay, fine. So remove all these n plus 1 and n things. Remove all these n and n plus 1, whatever they are there. So we get x here, 2x cube minus 1 over 3x square plus 1. Now, can we do cross product here? I'm doing cross product here. Look here. This is cross product. This gives us x into 3x square plus 1, which is equal to 1 into 2x cube minus 1. Now, see here. This gives us 3x cube plus x and 2x cube minus 1. Now, bringing all these things here. So 3x cube minus 2x cube plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, which is x cube plus x plus 1 equal to 0. If we see this thing, this is the same formula which is there in the beginning. Okay, look at that, x cube plus x plus 1. So it means that's the result. We wanted that thing, we got that thing. So 2 marks are here for this part. Now, last part, use this iterative formula with the initial value of x1 is equal to minus 0.5 to determine the root correct to 2 decimal places. Showing the results of each iteration. Okay, fine. Now here, part 3. Let's use same iterative formula, xn plus 1 and 2xn cube, okay, and minus 1 and divide by 3xn square plus 1. They say x1 is equal to what? X1 is minus 0.5. Minus 0.5. It means n is equal to 0. So xn we got here. See here. X1, and we have here 2 x naught 3 minus 1 divided by 3x1, sorry, x naught square and plus 1. Now, this basically, this thing is already given to us here in the question. They say x1 is equal to minus 0.5. So x1 is already given to us minus 0.5. Now, what we will do here, we will take n is equal to 1 here now. So we will take x1 plus 1. So 2 into x1, 3 minus 1 divided by 3 into x1 square plus 1. Input the values please here. This is x2. Now input the value here. 2 into x1. What is the x1 value? Minus 0.5. 3 minus 1. Divide by 3 into x1 is what? Minus 0.5 square plus 1. The result becomes, what's the result here? 2 into minus 0.5 whole cube minus 1. Result is this. Divide by 3 into minus 3 into minus 0.5, bracket closed, 2 and plus 1. So the first result is coming here, which is, see, result is here giving me the result, which is x2 is minus 0.714286 with me coming here. Now, this is, I got x2. Okay, now the next value I need is x. The next value is x3. It means, this means n will be 2 now. So x3 will be, if you input n2, so it's 2x2 power 3 minus 1 over 3 into x2 powers 2 and plus 1. Input the values please here. 2, what is the x2 value? x2 is minus 0.71442 4286 power 3 in minus 1 divided by 3 into minus 0.714286 power 2 and plus 1. So calculating this result, minus 2 into minus 0.714286 whole power 3 in minus 1 divided by 3 into bracket minus 0.714286 bracket closed, and power is what? Power is here, bracket closed, power 2. And here is plus 1. So the result is minus point. This gives me minus 0.6831 31797 and so on. There are 3 more digits coming here, but I'm writing till here. Okay, fine. Now this is x3. Now x4 will be, we will get x4 here, and x4 comes when n is 3. So x4 is coming 2 into x3 power 3 minus 1 over 3 into x3 power 2 plus 1. Input the values please. So 2 into minus 0.6831. Okay, 31, let's say 8. Fine. 68318, yeah, 68318, and whole power is 3 here. Minus 1 divided by 3 into minus 0.68318 power 2 plus 1. What's the result coming here? We get here with calculator. So I'm getting here minus 0.6823 and 2. Okay, fine. 2, 3 and 2. Okay, 2, 3, 2, 8. Can write 8 as well. So fine. This is the new result, which is x4. Now see here. They say, look at the question. The question says, to determine the root correct to 2 decimal places, show the result of each iteration. Okay, they want 2 decimal places. Now we will be, see, if you see here, here is till 2 decimal place, the numbers, the digits after decimal are 7, 1. Okay, this is 7 and 1. Here, if you see here, 6, 8 here, 6, 8 here. So 2 decimal place, the result should be till 2 decimal places. Until 2 decimal places, we are getting same digits. So let's stop here, and the answer here is the root. The required root will be root is alpha or whatever they have given to us in the question. They haven't given to us anything about that. So you can say like alpha or beta or gamma, something like that. And it is minus point so required root minus 0.68. So that's the answer. Okay. And this is still two decimal places. 2 decimal points, 2 decimal places. That's the end of this question. Inshallah, I will be coming with another question, and then I will be doing one more question, inshallah.